Welcome to Growing Old, Greenhouse Extreme Makeover.
The name you'll hear around, 'cause we're planting seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams and glows, watching green leaves sprout in happy rows.
Well, we finally got to stay home for a week straight, and I got out here and got to do a little work. I saw some comments that were talking about defoliation, and after watching family movie night, at least with Sativa, he kind of energized me to come out here and do a little work. But let's start off with the CBDs, and they're looking really healthy, and hopefully with my little trimming and stuff, it'll start to really get thick. We can look around. Here's the next CBD, and this one, she's always been the skinny girl, but she's a little more perky today, and I'll have a little more defoliation to go on there, but she's looking pretty good. We can look at the stems. I mean, that thing is it's pretty nice. Now here's my first of my favorites, the Peyote Forum, and she looks kind of scraggly now that I've kind of cleaned her out, but you can see she's got pretty good spacing in between the limbs, so that gives me some good area to space out, and I mean, I'm just hoping for these to really get nice. They're starting to get big. And they're starting to get big. And then this is the big girl, and I really hated cutting her back, but cleared her out, and I'm always talking about it, but I mean, and that is going to get thicker as it goes by. I'm going to come out here, I'm going to start pulling all of these out, and you can see she's starting to get tall. Now she is taller than me, and she's sticky. And I'll clean her up a little bit. And then this is the first Peyote Kush, and it's actually really beautiful. And I've cleaned it out just a little bit down there, but I got a lot more to go down in there. And we'll get to this one a little later this afternoon. Well, probably tomorrow morning because it gets too hot here. But I mean, that's all brand new, and she's going up really, really good. On the other side, now this one, the wind blows in the door, so she gets blown over quite a bit. So I tried to spin her around, but I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna clean up a bunch of, like something like this. I mean, I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna clean this up so that we can concentrate on what really needs the sun and all the juices that we can get. And then the last one, that one of course was a Peyote Forum. This one is a Peyote Kush, and I've trimmed her back quite a bit, but I still got a lot to go. The wind it gets pretty bad going through this tunnel sometimes. And what we had was this branch was broke, so I'm sure I saw it on Ryan's show over there at 420 Smoke Break, but he taped them up, and they went pretty good. So I had this one taped up for I think 2 days, and I mean, it's not like anything is turning brown, so it might make it, but she got a little more to clean out. And she's going really, really good. And finally, I just like to mention my my tank, because we are drinking 100 liters a day now. And the way I'm working it is I filled up yesterday. I put in some my newts, mainly the bloom newts, and then I'll have to fill up again either this afternoon or I'll just fill up tomorrow, and I'll just run plain old water just so I can keep it keep the interchange going, because that's the way I like to do it, and it keeps the tubing cleaner. But I'd like to say thank you to all of our subscribers. Keep the comments coming. We love you. Thank you.